Hi, my name is Amanda, and I'm here to talk to you about Google Apps and app extensions, how to integrate them into your classroom, as well as how to add them into your account. The first thing you'll want to make sure that you have done is that you have logged into your account. You can notice up here that I have logged into my account. The next thing you want to do is you want to go into your apps. Your apps icon is located to the left of your login. If you click on that, you can view the apps this way. I also have an apps icon in the upper corner that allows me to click as well. Once I enter my apps area, you can see that I have several apps that are used. The store will always show up. Typically YouTube is already integrated in, and then I have some games such as Make a Set and Magic Puzzle Squares. Those are math games that allow students to exercise their brains in ways that traditional math problems wouldn't. The next line I have Desmos, which is a graphing application. It allows me to graph on the board and conduct several explorations. This is great for student use at home as well because many students don't have the ability to graph electronically or have a graphing calculator, so this allows them to have that with the internet. Listings is just like a post-it note type thing. It is a great app to keep you organized. WeVideo is great for video editing. It is free. We have Google Drive, which just gives you your document list, what's been shared with you, and what you've created. And the next line, I have QuickNote. That's a great note-taking app. I use that for staff meeting notes, other notes with other teachers, or classroom notes just to keep track of things that I might want to change for future years. And then I have some brain training. GeoGebra is another math app for teaching. And then on the next screen over, I have a CK12, which is an education app, great for when students need additional help. Equation Editor and DOM Equation Editor are both apps that allow you to enter equations easily as opposed to having to try to figure out how to make the characters work. Now, if you would like to add apps into your app account, you can go down to the web store in the bottom right-hand corner. And when you go into the App Store, you'll see that you have the ability to search. It can show a variety of apps, for example, runs offline that are free. All the apps I've described to you so far have all been free apps. When you're adding an app, for example, if I went into education and I wanted academic resources, I see that there are a variety of apps available to me. When I'm looking for an app, I might look for one that's useful for my classroom. For example, flashcards might be a good app. So let's say I want to explore it. Here you see that it gives you an idea of what it looks like. It also gives you details of that. It does say up here that it is free. It gives you the reviews, and then it also gives you other related apps that might be helpful in addition to this. Up here it also tells you that it is an academic resource. So if I wanted to add this app to my app store, I would click on the free option, click add, and it will automatically drop into my apps. Now I have access to this anytime I'd like. Again, the App Store is a great way for students to access these in the classroom or outside of the classroom.